everyone, welcome back to my channel and Merry Christmas. Today I'm going to show you how to make these super cute and easy gingerbread houses made out of graham cracker. For each house you will need 4 full graham crackers and a serrated knife. Divide 2 of the full graham crackers in half and this will form the sides and the roof of your house. Next, you will use your knife to cut the front and the back of the house. Start by cutting the top quarter off of the graham cracker. The trick to keep it from breaking is to apply very gentle pressure and use the knife like a saw. Form the top into a point by cutting from the midline to the top center of the graham cracker and then doing the same to the other side. Repeat these same steps to the last graham cracker to make the back of the house. We found it was easiest to decorate these on a paper plate. When researching this, some of the instructions said to make royal icing, which I didn't have the ingredients for, or melting sugar, which resulted in myself burning my finger. So store-bought icing was the trick, and actually it worked really well. Start by dipping the sides of the front in icing, including the bottom, and attach it to one of the sides. Repeat this step for the back of the house and the other side. You can see that using the store-bought icing held the pieces together and allowed it to stand on the plate unassisted. I positioned the roof so that the center line was horizontal. Now for the best part, the decorating. I used store-bought icing so that I wouldn't have to worry about my own piping bags, and I got candy in red and green and whites. You can really pick anything, but I used mini M&Ms, cinnamon Imperials, Tic Tacs, gumdrops, marshmallows, gummy bears, white Mentos, regular marshmallows, and some mini candy canes. I really liked using this muffin tin to organize the candies. It kept them all separated, and if you were having a gingerbread decorating party, this is a nice way to set up for individuals. My kids are 7 and 4, and I let them just go to town and decorate however they wanted. They absolutely loved this part of the decorating. Another option you can try for your little ones is to take a sugar cone and cover it in green frosting. I did this for my 2-year-old to decorate.
Put it on the tree. No, put it on the tree.
Not put it on here.
Yay! Do more.
Do the whole.
The end results were pretty darn cute and very tasty. Well, I hope you enjoyed that quick and easy tutorial for gingerbread houses. I know my kids had so much fun making them and even better time eating them. They do taste better than those store-bought kits anyways. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button below, and while you're there, subscribe to my channel so you can see more tips and tricks about Christmas and motherhood and kids. Merry Christmas, everyone!